Hello guys, it's your boy Craftbook. Okay, today I'm gonna be doing some simple tutorial. I'm gonna be showing you how you activate, or I guess have auto clicker or any other like keyboard or typing in a loop and assign it to a specific button on your mouse. So I'm gonna show you that right now. So the first step, alright, all you're gonna do is head over to the browser, and I guess you could just copy this link. I will give this link down in the description. All you're gonna do is find a Logitech software. This specific tutorial only works with Logitech mouse, so if you have different mouse I can help you anyways. So now head over to here and click download for Windows 10, right? Or if you have Mac OS, you also could download. Doesn't support any other version that is higher, like Windows 11, or lower, like Windows 7 or 8. So this is the website, very nice, very cool. So you head over here, download, and it will obviously prompt up this, but I already have the software, so I'm going to discard that. And after that, once you download everything, you will see this particular interface right here. So what you're going to do is just head home and you will see your mouse. So I'm gonna show you the auto clicker as an example on here. On this clicker, you can see I'm clicking like normal. So now we're gonna do the tutorial. So all you're gonna do is just click on the mouse, your mouse obviously, and then you're gonna head over to macros, and we're gonna create a new macro. So make sure that you're on assignment. If you like on here, click on assignment, and you can click on macros. And when you've done, find macros on your assignment, then I don't know. Anyway, just ignore all of this and just go ahead and create new macros. So we're gonna name these macros. You could name whatever you want, but for me, we're gonna be doing an auto clicker. So hit enter, and then we're gonna do we're gonna do toggle. Right? So what that essentially mean, when you click on the buttons in your mouse, it will just do it without stopping, right? But whatever. So now we're gonna do toggle. So our standard delay is gonna be 10, or I guess 5 milliseconds. 25 is the lowest. Okay. So we're gonna set the macro color. There you go, perfect. So this you could do how long you want, you know, like 1 click per second or whatever, but we're doing an auto clicker, so we're gonna do it obviously fast, right? So with all of that done, all the settings and toggle whatever in this thing, macro tabs, all you're gonna do is press start now. So this plus button right on the start, you click on here, and now what you're gonna see is a bunch of this stuff, but what we're gonna find, what we're gonna do is that we're doing the record keystroke. So what this does is that it will record any keystroke which is from your keyboard to your mouse. So we're gonna go ahead and click on this. So now it's recording. So all you're gonna do is click, and this is the only thing that you need to have, right? And now you click on stop recording. So this is the only if you want to do more keystroke, obviously if you're doing like typing, you know, looping or whatever, then you know it's fine. But if you're doing like an auto clicker, for example, that gonna do now. The only thing that we need usually is just clicking down and release clicking, the right click. So now we have all of this configured. So we're gonna go ahead and click save, and now we have the auto clicker. Now what you're gonna do now that we have all of this set up, you'll be expecting like, oh, it should be working now. No. So you could see on the right hand side we have the mouse, obviously. So now we could assign, right? Because my mouse have these two extra button on here that I will never use as much. I mean, I will use it like to maybe if you like browsing, for example, then yeah. But primarily no. So or if you really using this photo back button, you could use it on here. This only, you know, your preferences, but I would like to do it here. But you know, for this tutorial I will do it on DPI cycle. So all you're gonna do is click on here. So now it goes like blue, and then it shows you like use default or disable. So now we on this step, whatever. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and click on auto clicker, and we drag on this DPI cycle. You see, there you go. Or we could just click on that. There you go. Shouldn't be dragging. If you're dragging, usually you wouldn't click this. You just drag, but it's not very consistent. You have to really be on the name there. Just, you know, which is like if you're like straight up on the line here, you will not detect. You have to detect on this circle or this name right. Anyways, so now we have all that assigned. So we're gonna test that out. So now we basically complete. It's very simple. So now we obviously minimize this. Gonna keep the software running in the background. Usually if you close or stop the program, it will not functioning. So now we have that. So now we're gonna test the exact button that we have assigned here, which is the DPI button on my mouse. So I'm gonna do that, and now it works extremely fast as well. So now you click it again to turn it off. So now there you go. So if you wondering, you know, you cannot get this off your mouse, just go ahead and click on the name that you have assigned your auto clicker, and just click use default, and it'll go back to the normal button that you that your mouse have. So now that's it. Okay.